Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn how to use the clip tool, how we can clip our and desired data. First of all, I will add the shapefile of Pakistan. After that, I will add this is the geology of South Asia. Okay, I will extract the geology of Pakistan by choosing clip tool. Now go to the georeferencing clip. In input, I will add the data from where I will extract the Pakistan map, Pakistan geology. Okay. Added clip feature. Here is clip feature. It means I'll add here the data which I want to clip from the background data. Okay, this is my destination file. Now I will give it a name here, add a new folder. Clipped geology. Okay, clipped. Save. The clipping part is running. Here it will appear here our clipped data. It's working on the background. My clipped data is appear. Check. This is the geology of Pakistan, which is being clipped by using the clip. You can check it. Okay, this is the geology clipped of Pakistan. Okay. From here we can check its attribute table. It will be the polygon of different geologies which are being appeared in the geology of Pakistan. We can change the symbology. Categories, geology, values, apply. Okay. The geology of Pakistan is separated. In this way, we can clip any data from anywhere. Okay, either it is vector or raster. We can clip it by using this clip tool from this clip tool. Okay, thank you so much for your time, for being here. Kindly remember to subscribe and to share and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.